welcome back. It's Monday night after the Sunday that we put everything together. Just gonna keep it on. So next I'm gonna put my floorboards on, one on each side. Be simple enough, and then we'll see what other stuff we can get into here. Okay, next, put on the tie rod. This is the tie rod. Not sure what this is called. Steering arm, something. I don't know. Also don't know how we do this straight. I'm just gonna set the wheel basically straight ahead. And I'll set the other side the same, and then we'll probably have to give it a wheel alignment when we're done here. Let's see. That looks more or less straight to me. Right there. All right. Ouch. Is this a key? It is. So this is a keyed shaft. So, let's see where, looks like there's several spots along this that are keyed. So, just have to match up with one of them. Now, let's see where our limits are. That's all the way to the right. And we've got 1, 2, 3 and a half. So we want to be 1 3/4 back. There's 1 1.5 and 3/4. That should put us right somewhere towards the middle. And I'm gonna need a light so I can see this better. Looks like we're actually pretty much right on right there. We'll just give it a little gentle start. thread. All right, same thing over here. Annoying thing is the studs unscrewing. Put that one on the other side. Hopefully this one goes back in properly. There we go. Looks like an old felt seal of some sort. I will have to see if I have a spare one on the other as well. I'm going to have to steal the nut. As you'll remember, that was just a pipe elbow that was on this one. So I'll steal the nut from the other setup here. Now, if you remember, this side had this screwball stuff welded onto here, so I'm going to actually replace this with the one off the other tractor. No, I can already see that's not going to work. Well, shit. Just gotta get mad at it. There. That works as good as any puller. All right. All right, here's the one from outside. Oh, hopefully that hasn't been messing up the picture this entire time. I'll bet you it has. Oops. Okay. Let's put this guy on. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm just going to try and straighten out the front wheel so that it matches the other side. There. Now, how far off are we on this guy? Ooh, like a glove. All right. Oh, before we do that though, haven't got anything else. Put the old one back in. Maybe this is why they had the pipe threaded on there. Threads are slightly buggered. I don't think my tap and die set goes that high either, but let me check. Whew. Okay, this is 3/4 with 16 threads per inch. Just kind of cleaning up the threads. I think they're just full of dirt. Or if it wasn't that thread before I started, it is now. That's much better. All right, where were we? That guy on there. That guy on there. Oh yeah, start this again. Maybe it's just me. There we go. So look at that, yeah. Too lazy to go get the right size wrench. Okay, so I didn't get a whole lot done tonight. Got the floorboards on, got the steering hook back up. That's about it. I'm trying to get another hour or so in tomorrow night. And move a little bit further. Inch by inch, we'll get there. I think tomorrow night we're going to focus on getting this out, swapped in with the good one. And then, yeah, I don't know, we'll take it from there. We'll probably start swapping some of the stuff for the dash. Get rid of this idiot switch and put in the proper key again. Either get this working or take the push button out of the other unit. Huh. Looks like we might need an oil pressure gauge swapped over too, because I'm pretty sure we don't have 20 pounds of oil pressure right now. And the ammeter's seen better days too. So I think we're swapping over most things out of here. I may have to go purchase a new ammeter. I think the one on the other one's also pooched, but we'll see. I've also got a brand new wiring harness, so hopefully the colors match what's on here and make it easier on me. Otherwise I'll have to look it up. Anyways, have a great night. Thanks for watching.